In figure, 4 semicircles have been drawn within the given square whose side is 2 units. ये गिवन स्क्वायर है, इसके अंदर 4 सेमी सर्कल्स ड्रा किए गए हैं, 1 2 3 and 4. The centers of these semicircles are the midpoints of the sides. इन सेमी सर्कल का सेंटर साइड के मिड पॉइंट है. जैसे ए वाला सेमी सर्कल है, इसका सेंटर इस साइड का मिड पॉइंट है. दे क्रिएट 4 पेटल्ड फ्लावर सोन इन ब्लू. वे 4 सेमी सर्कल 4 पंखुड़ी वाला एक फूल फ्लावर बनाते हैं जो कि नीले कलर में दिए गए हैं. फाइंड द पेरीमीटर एंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस फ्लावर. इस फ्लावर के पेरीमीटर भी ज्ञात करना है और एरिया भी ज्ञात करना है. लेट द नेम ऑफ गिवन स्क्वायर इज ABCD. A, B, C and D. Let the point of intersection of 4 semicircle is O. This point is O. Side AB is 2. Therefore, half of 2 is 1. 1 centimeter is radius of semicircle. Let this point is E. E is midpoint of AB. AB is 2. Therefore, A is 1. Radius is 1. Radius equal to 1. Radius of each semicircle is 1. One unit. To find perimeter of petals, perimeter of all 4 petals is equal to perimeter of semicircle AOB plus perimeter of semicircle BOC plus perimeter of semicircle COD plus perimeter of semicircle DOA. Perimeter of one semicircle AOB. Half of circumference of whole circle, half into 2 pi r, 2 to cancel, is equal to pi r is equal to pi into 1 is equal to pi. Perimeter of 4 semicircles is equal to 4 into pi. Therefore, perimeter of 4 petal is equal to 4 pi. To find area, let the name of this 4 unshaded area are PQ or S. This unshaded area is P and this unshaded area is Q or S. Area of P and R is equal to area of square minus area of this semicircle and this semicircle. Two semicircles POC and AODA. Area of square is side square AB square minus area of two semicircle is 2 times area of one semicircle. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. 2 to cancel. AB is 2, r is 1, 4 minus pi. Then area of 4 unshaded area PQRS is equal to 2 times area of P and R. Now area of 4 petals equal to area of square minus area of 4 unshaded region PQRS. Is equal to area of square is 2 square side square minus area of 4 unshaded region PQRS is 8 minus 2 pi. Four minus 8 plus 2 pi is equal to 2 pi minus 4 unit. Answer. Perimeter of 4 petals is 4 pi and area of 4 petals is 2 pi minus 4. In figure, we see two concentric circles with a common center O. दो concentric circles हैं, ये वाला अंदर वाला और एक बाहर वाला, इनका सेंटर O है. A chord BC of larger circle is drawn, touching the smaller circle at O. लार्जर सर्कल का chord BC है जो कि स्मॉलर सर्कल को A पॉइंट पर टच करता है. द लेंथ ऑफ BC इज L. BC का लंबाई L है. So that area of green region enclosed between two circles is 1/4 pi L square. हमें इस ग्रीन रीजन का एरिया 1/4 pi L square प्रूव करना है. Join OC and OA. OC is radius of larger circle and OA is radius of smaller circle. Since line segment joining the center and midpoint of chord is perpendicular to chord, therefore this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle OAC is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle OAC is right angled triangle. In right angled triangle OAC by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, hypotenuse OC square is equal to sum of two other sides OA square plus AC square. Number 1. Now, area of green shaded region is equal to area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. Area of larger circle is pi capital R square, OC is capital R, and OA is small r. Area of small circle is pi small r square is equal to, taking pi common, r square minus small r square. Capital R is OC, small r is OA. OC square minus OA square is AC square. From 1. And AC is half of BC because A is midpoint of BC. BC is L is equal to 1/4 pi L square. Proved.